Hi, in this session, we will be looking into questions based on ages. This is an application of simple equations and ratios concept as well. So, ages questions will be asked in lot of competitive examinations like banking, RRB, SSC, CGL, CHSL. Definitely one or two questions will come into the picture. And you can see these type of questions on campus hiring companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini. All campus hiring companies will definitely ask you on, definitely test you on this particular area. And if you aiming for higher education like CAT, MAT, ICET, definitely one or two questions will come into the picture. Okay, so before understanding the concept of ages, I have a puzzle. There are two friends. It's a two friends story. Okay, Surya and Sundar. Both Surya and Sundar were roommates at Indian University. They loved mathematics and continuously, they are going to ask puzzles from each other. After years of separation, they met at a college reunion, university reunion. At the reunion, Surya asked Sundar, "Hey Sundar, how is your work at Skillens?" Sundar replied, "It's good, Surya. How is Mickey doing? How old is your kid now?" Surya asked. So, Sundar replied, his current age is 1.5 times of his age 10 years ago. Surya heard the answer and they both smiled. Do you know the Sundar's son's age? So here the point is this. You have to understand this particular statement. Guys, I can tell you ages, if you want to good at the concept of ages, you are able to write the equation properly. Okay, so his current age is 1.5 times of his age 10 years ago. Okay, we'll understand every particular word in this statement. So, let's say his son age is X at present. His current age is, which means X is, which is equals to 1.5 times of what? 1.5 times of what? 10 years ago. Now you are 20. 10 years ago, what is your age? 20 minus 10, which is 10. Now you are X. 10 years ago, what is your age? X minus 10. Just calculate this. X is equals to, can I write 15 by 10, which is X minus 10. So can I write this 10X, which is equals to, if you open the bracket, 15X minus 150. If you rearrange the situation, can I write 5X is equals to 150. So from this, can I write X is equals to 150 divided by 5. Then I can say X is equals to 5 how many times? 3 times. So Mickey age in this particular question is what? 30 years. Okay, guys, ages is very, very important, and I am sure if you are writing this particular equation, your job is a cakewalk. Okay, how to write that particular equation? So, read the question properly and write in place of particular equation. The job is going to be very easy. Okay, the basic concepts of ages. Guys, let me tell you. Okay, there are son and father. At present, son age is 20 years. father age is 45 years. What is the difference between these two persons? I can say 25 years is the gap. Okay, after 5 years, after means what? Plus. After 5 years, son age will become what? 25. After 5 years, father age will become what? 50. What is the difference here? The difference is 25 again. Before 5 years, can I say it's 15? Before 5 years, can I say it's 40? 40 and 15, the difference is again what? 25. So point number 1. In ages, two persons' age difference is always same. Okay, this is very important point. In ages, two persons' age difference is always same. The difference between your age and your mother age is always same. The difference between your age and your sibling age is always same. The difference between your age and your father age is always same. The difference between your age and your friend age is always same. So this is one of the important point and I want you to understand. And guys, I want to tell you a few more important points. If the present age is P, then n times, okay, your present age is 10, then 5 times to the present age will become what? 10 into 5, which is nothing but 50. So if your present age is P, then n times the present age is what? NP. Okay, so this point you should know. And if your present age is P and the age n years, hence, latter, after, okay, everything is same. Your present age is 20. After 5 years, what is your age? 20 plus 5. He may use the word, your present age is 20. Okay, he will say, hence 5 years. Hence means what? Plus. Hence means what? Plus. You have to understand this particular point. And if the present age is P, then 10 years ago, ago means what? Past. Hence means what? Future. Ago, n years ago. So that's going to be what? P minus n. If your age is 20 now, 5 years ago, what is your answer? 20 minus 5, that will give you what? 15 as your answer. So this is how you need to handle your question. The ages in the ratio A is to B, it will be AX and BX, X being a constant. Why? In the question they will say, there are two persons A and B, their ages are in the ratio 1:2. Lot of people think that A age is 1 and B age is 2. No, their ages are multiples of 1 and multiples of 2. Okay, if X changes, their ages will change. If X is 10, then their ages are 10 years and 20 years. If X is 20, their ages are 20 years and 40 years. If you look at here, again the ratio remains same. 21s, 22s. Ratio remains same. But if X changes, their ages will change. So this point you should know. Ratio is not the exact number. You will see this concept in ratios. Okay. Let's go to the next point. If the current age is P, then 1 by nth of the age is, say if your current age is 30, what is 1/6 of your age? So that is nothing but 30 by 6. Okay, 6 5s are 30. You can say, yeah, 1/6 of your age is what? 5 years. So you should know, you should good with the terminology, then the job is going to be very easy. Okay, the best part is hence and ago and the ratios. Okay, so if you know these words and after, okay, after hence ago means past, after hence means what? Future. Present, definitely he will give only a present only. Okay, hope everybody understands. Then what type of questions you will encounter? They may ask you to calculate, present age, and they may ask you to calculate numerical ages ratio, and they may ask you to calculate a person before X years. Okay, before x years. Okay, and the fourth type will be numericals to determine the age of the person after x years. Okay, after x years how much, or he may ask you x year hence how much. Okay, x years hence how much, which is same, or he may ask you ago x years how much is the age. So these type of questions you will encounter in this particular concept. So let's get into the questions. What is Shiva's present age? So you need Shiva's present age. If after 10 years his age will be 5 times his age 5 years back. So let's take present. At present Shiva age. At present Shiva age is x. Okay, after 10 years, can I say after 10 years? After 10 years. Now he is 20. After 10 years, 20 plus 10. So that is nothing but x. That is nothing but what? X plus 10 will be, that is equals to 5 times his age 5 years back. So 5 years back, what is his age? X minus 5. Okay, x minus 5. So guys, very simple question. If after 10 years his age will be 5 times 5 years ago. So this is what? 5 times. Okay, so x plus 10, which is equals to 5 times, means multiply x minus 5. So x plus 10 is equals to 5x minus 25. 25 will come this side, which is 25 plus 10. That is nothing but x will go this side, which is 4x, because 5x minus x, 4x. So 35 is equals to 4x, then x is equals to 35 by 4. Okay, if you cancel it, it's okay, because options will be like this. Okay, his age is what? 35 by 4. Who is x? X is nothing but Shiva's present age. Okay, Shiva's present age. So this is how you need to answer your particular questions. Okay, so x is nothing but Shiva's present age. See, my point is this. Once you are making this particular equation, your job is a cakewalk. Otherwise, it will take time. Hope everybody understood. This is a basic question. Let's try to solve one more question. Ram is 15 years elder than Sai. Okay, Ram is 15 years elder than Sai. Guys, 15 years is what? Difference only, no? Two people age difference is always same. Whether it is now, whether it is after, whether it is ago. If 5 years ago, Ram was 3 times as old as Sai. Okay, let's take a condition. 5 years ago, what is happening? 5 years ago, there are two persons, Ram and Sai. Okay, Ram was 3 times as old as Sai. If Sai is x, Ram is going to be what? 3x. This is when 5 years ago. But you should know the difference between Ram and Sai is what? 15 years always. Okay, so what is the difference here? Can I say 5 years ago the difference is what? 2x. Can I say 2x value only 15? Can I say x is equals to 15 by 2? That is nothing but x is equals to 7.5. Yes or no? What do you want? Find the present age of Ram. So let me put this particular value here. So 3 into x. What is x? Let me put 15 by 2. So that is nothing but 45 by 2. 45 by 2 when? 45 by 2. Can I say it's going to be 22.5? Yeah, 22.5 when? 5 years ago. But when you want present. So you are in the past. So you have to come to present. So add 5. So then your answer will become 27.5. So whom age is this? Ram age. Whom age is this? Ram age. If you want the present age of the Sai, how you are going to do it? Yeah, Sai is what? 7.5 now. So add 5. So this will become the age of Sai. So I can say that's going to be 12.5 years. Yes. So this is how you need to answer your questions. Hope everybody understood this question. These type of questions, definitely you can see the questions on banking, SSC, TCS, IBM and CT. Yes. Hope everybody understood this. Let's see one more question. 1 year ago, ratio of Harry and Peter ages was 5:6 respectively. So 1 year ago, from present to 1 year ago. 1 year ago ratio was Harry and Peter. What is the ratio? 5:6. Okay, respectively. After 4 years, okay, so there is a present, so this is present. Okay, after 4 years, okay, after 4 years, there is one more ratio. What is the ratio? 6:7. Okay, 6:7. How old is Peter? How old is Peter? Let me calculate in a general way. So initially the ratio is 5x by 6x. Okay, 5x and 6x. Okay, and this is going to be what here? 1 year ago and after 4 years. Okay, after 4 years. You guys, if you closely observe, 5 to 6, how many parts is the difference? 1 part. 6 to 7, how many parts is the difference? 1 part. Can I say this 1 part value only 5 years total? 5 years. Why? Present to past 1 year gap. From present to future there are 4 years gap. So 1 plus 4 is what total? 5 years. Okay, 1 plus 4 is what total? 5 years. So can I say the difference is 5 years. So x is equals to 5 years. Okay, x is equals to 5 years. So whom age you want? Peter. So 6 5s are what? 30. 30 years when? 30 years 1 year ago. 1 year ago is 30. If you want present, this is what? 1 year ago. 1 year ago. If you want present, 30 plus 1. That will give you 31 as your answer. 30 plus 1 will give you what? 31 as your answer. Hope everybody understood this. Or you can do like this also. 7 5s are 35. This is when? After 4 years. So just subtract 4 from this value. You will get 31 as your answer. You will get 31 as your answer. Okay, this is how you need to answer your basic questions. These type of questions been asked in banking and SSC. Okay, let's try to solve one more question. Age of mother 10 years ago was 3 times the age of her son. Okay, after 10 years, mother age will be twice that of his son. Find the ratio of their present ages. So if you want the ratio of their present ages, you should know their present ages. So let's see. What's happening in 10 years ago? So 10 years ago, mother, son. Okay, what is the ratio? If son is x, mother is going to be 3x. This is what 10 years ago. What happened after 10 years? So after 10 years, what is the ratio? Yeah, son to mother. If son is x, mother is going to be what? 2x, twice. But look at here, in the previous question, the difference is same. But in this question, here the difference is 0, here the difference is 1. So both are different. So that's what you need to understand. When difference is not same, how to handle the situation. So let me explain you. Initially the ratio is 3:1. Now the ratio is 2:1. Guys, if you look at the difference is not same. So which means these are manipulated ratios. These are not actual ratios. What is the actual ratio? So the procedure is this. When the situation is like this, the procedure is this. Okay, 2:1. Take this difference. Okay, what is the difference here? 2. Take this difference. What is the difference here? 1. Okay, what you are going to do is take first ratio, multiply with the other ratio difference. What is the other ratio difference? 1. Take second ratio, multiply the first ratio difference. What is the first ratio difference? 2. So can I conclude? My new ratio is going to be what? 3, 1, because 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So this is your new ratio. Now look at here. 3 to 4, how many parts is the different? 1 part. 1 to 2, how many parts is the different? 1 part. But hang on. This is what? 10 years ago. This is what? After 10 years. So in between there is a present. So present to here there is a 10 years gap. From present to past there is a 10 years gap. Together total how many years gap? 20 years gap is there. So can I say 1 part is equals to 20 years. 1 part is equals to 20 years. Wherever you can, 1 part is 20 years. Then can I say mother will become 3 into 20, which is 60 years. This is when 10 years ago. Then present will become what? Then present will become what? The present age of the mother will become what? So minus 10. So present age of the mother is what? 20. How about son? Son is going to be 1 into 20. So which is 20 years. So you have to subtract 10. So at present son age is going to be what? 10 years. So what is the ratio? The ratio is going to be no. Guys, you are in past, no? So you have to add 10. So if you add 10, it will become what? 70. If you add 10, it will become what? 30. So I am subtracting. You're supposed to add. Because you are taking 10 years ago age. So you have to add to come to present. So then the ratio will become what? 7:3. Or you can do with this. So 4 into 20, which is 80. And 2 into 20, which is 40. So you have to go back from here. So minus 10, minus 10. So which is 70:30. That is nothing but 7:3 is going to be your answer. 7:3 is going to be your answer. So this is how you need to answer your questions. Okay. So thank you for being in this session to learn about the ages. So important points are this. You have to know after, hence, ago. If you know these 3 points, your job is a cakewalk. Thank you.